You hungry?
Yeah.
There's a place called El Cap.
Called what?
El Cap?
Okay.
One of the best burgers in St. Pete.
Alright.
Maybe the Tampa Bay area.
Okay.
I always forget about that. I also forget about my gloves, apparently. Let's do this. Whoops. Well, this is everything that is not usually me, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, boat. Ah, this thing's a boat. Well, apparently I'm not on the standard right now. They're still waiting on back order on certain parts. Those parts to me are kind of important in the build, so I said, let's do something that is just not within my usual wheelhouse. Curiosity is there. Can I borrow a road glide? Sure, here you go. 2017 road glide. I think it's a 107. I don't remember. Yeah, it's a 107. I haven't taken my time to do anything on this thing. Okay. So many buttons. This is weird. It's different. It's a beast of a bike. So when we went to drop off the live wire, I brought them some Tampa taco treats, and they were asking like, why don't you eat some as well? There's plenty of tacos. There was like 7 pounds of taco meat. The reason I didn't eat tacos while I was there is because being on the side of the bridge, there's something that I really enjoy out here, something I really want, and that's what we're gonna go do because I'm on this side of the bridge. I'm never on this side of the bridge. So my good friend Kyle and I are going to go grab El Cap. Some of the best burgers in the greater Tampa Bay area, to be completely honest. Jesus. Oh man, this thing's a monster. Oh shit. Uneven road. My absolute favorite. So the El Cap burger may rival the Steinenbein burger. I don't think they're very similar enough to really compare to each other, but you know, they're burgers. I haven't had an El Cap burger in absolutely forever. And let's take this giant beast of a boat on the interstate, which is what this thing's made to do. I'm typically very skittish on my first inaugural ride on any motorcycle. So getting on this thing and getting it on the interstate is going to be one hell of a butt-puckering ride. And you know, like I said before, finger in the butt, try something new. Mirrors. God, people do dumb things with mirrors. I'm a big bad biker on a big bad bike. I'm a big bad biker on a big bad bike. I'm a big bad biker on a big bad bike. I'm a big bad biker on a big bad bike. I got this cute little tiny mirrors. I can't see something in the rear. Big bad biker on a big bad bike. I'm a big bad biker on a big bad bike. I'm gonna get yelled at because I am being mean. That is called a big bad biker by flipping the nos. This thing's just huge. Baby bagger, big boy bagger. This thing is giant. It's obnoxious. It's hilarious. I don't know, man. It's like a minivan. I mean, I don't even have a problem with minivans. My dad has one. I borrow it all the time. It is absolutely lovely. It has a DVD player. It has Bluetooth headphones. It has an app system, touchscreen, Apple Play, seats that fold in, and whatever else. Meh. Big bad biker. My land yacht.
We're back to yelling at each other again.
Yeah! This thing's massive. You gotta ride it, it's funny. Okay, best burgers in Pinellas County. Go try. The waitress asked me if I was making a little movie, and I keep having to tell people that I make YouTube videos, and I still feel like an idiot doing it. Here I am in public, and people are still laughing at me when I say I make YouTube videos. Yeah, like that. They laugh at me like that. You're part of them, Kyle. Remember that.
I will not forget that.
Bacon daily double, everything on it.
Size comparison.
I'm into his head.
Oh, okay. There's the french fries. You guys want silverware?
Oh no, we'll be alright.
Okay.
Can I get some ketchup for the fries?
Got it,
Alright, thank you.
Y'all. This is gonna get ugly.
I need your jaw.
1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that was absolutely delicious. Kyle, thoughts?
I could eat 2 more and regret it, but I would. It's some good shit. Little secret, why I don't have a lot of friends. Like the first time I've had a medium burger in years, usually I want it like well done. Everything I eat, well done. Burn it, like 1940s bonfire. Well done. So for a medium burger, that was different for me, but that shit was killer. I'd come here again and do it.
Thumbs up?
Absolutely.
This bartender sucks. I can't get a drink. Kyle can.
Yeah, man. That's a statement.
Tell it to Yale,
That
motherfucker.
sounds like a statement of thirsty.
As he drinks his water.
I was about to say, that sounds like a statement that somebody who's not thirsty would say. A guy who was thirsty would say, "Please, sir, may I have a drink?"
Say it.
Keep laughing, Shuffles. Give me a water. And a whiskey like a man. And a warm milk.
Warm milk.
All right, Kyle, let's try this again. Oh, do a kickflip.
Yo, do a kickflip!
Don't forget to like this video. Whoa, that's really close. I'll stay right here. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And Kyle,
Catch you on the flip side.